I've worked at Best Buy for a while, and one of the best parts is getting hands-on with the latest gear. I'm not an adrenaline junkie, I'm more of a walk the dog at sunset kind of guy, so I got my coworker to get some action shots with the GoPro MAX2. Whether you're chasing big adventures or just want everyday moments to look amazing, this camera delivers. I want to capture my memories just like everyone else. Whether it's soaking in fall colors or taking a walk with the dog, the MAX2 makes sure I don't miss a thing. With 8K 360-degree video, I can relive the entire scene later, choosing the angle, reframing the shot, and sharing it however I want. It's like having a camera crew with me without actually needing one. Sorry, team. What I really like is how the MAX2 makes the extension rod disappear. I can hold it in my hand, clip it to my bike, or hold it up high almost looking like I have a drone above me. And when I go to edit in the app, all I see is the moment. Here's where the fun really starts. The GoPro Quick app makes editing simple and creative. It really is intuitive. I can drop in keyframes to focus on what matters, switch aspect ratios for social posts or widescreen playback, and add some really cool pro-level effects like spin, flip, roll, wobble, tiny planet, and more. I can revisit the same clip again and again, creating something new each time. I'm a millennial, I worry about everything, but not these lenses. They stick out to capture all the views and accidents happen. But with this, you just pop on a replacement lens. And yes, we carry them. So intense action shots or small moments, the GoPro MAX2 makes them all cinematic. Download the Best Buy app or visit a store to learn more. Now I'm gonna go have some more fun.